That's the kind of player he is. That's why we played him the way we played him all throughout the run-up to this finals, even in the semis. If you would notice, there were chances in our past games where we could have rested him, but we purposely didn't because that's our way of preparing him and also for him training his body for the long grind. And we need a lot from him. That's why we hope that he can sustain it. But this is just one game. It's just one game. We know the Ginebra is going to come back and make their adjustments, so we have to be prepared for game 2.
Thank you, Coach. Great, congratulations. First finals appearance and Panalo. Best player of the game pa. You were limited to just 3 points in the first half. What made you uncomfortable then? Was it your finger, yung haba mo ba coming into your first finals appearance? Can you just walk us through it?
Actually, ang dami kong mga nararamdaman kanina pagpasok pa lang ng arena eh. To be honest, sobrang kinabahan talaga ako. Tapos lalo na yung nag-opening na, kinalabutan ako eh. Tapos parang nangihina yung katawan ko. But good thing, na-overcome ko yun. And dun nga, nung start ng game, first half, medyo nandun pa yung gigil ko eh. And then hindi ko pa mahanap yung rhythm ko. So good thing din, nung second half, nung unti-unti ko nang nakuha. And ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy na.
Ray, ano yung mga adjustments na gusto nyo gawin as a team for Wednesday?
Well, malalaman namin bukas sa viewing namin. But for me, I think yung mga konting lapses namin which is pwedeng magbigay ng momentum sa kanila. Kasi yun talaga yung iniiwasan namin dahil knowing Ginebra, pag nabigyan mo sila ng momentum ng ganung chances, mag-go all the way sila. So yun yung parang titingnan namin sa viewing namin bukas.
At this point, you're opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations on getting game 1 tonight. What's co-pair players impact si Koy Eram and Jason Castro? Si Koy, he said he felt mentally ready for the series, and Jason, third quarter, medyo na-exploit niya si RJ on the defensive side of his baskets. Talk about both players.
Well, that's why they're there. They're veterans. They know what to do in these situations. It's not only the points they score; it's the other things that they do. I thought Poy played tremendous defense. One of the things that we have to work on is really keeping them off the glass because Ginebra is such a great offensive rebounding team. So we really rely on Poy to do a lot of the board work for us. So yun ang trabaho nila. As veterans, their job is to stabilize and take advantage of opportunities. So Jason saw the opportunity in the third quarter. And credit to his teammates for affording him and making sure that he gets it in the right places to be able to attack.
What was Jason after hindi siya naglarong injured? How was he in your break?
Hindi naman he was injured but he never stopped working out. So whether it was his leg or the latest one was his shoulder, he was still not naman every day pero madalas nasa practice pa rin siya. Even in our training camps and all that, he was never absent si Poy. So mentally he was never away. Kaya it was just easy for him to slide into the swing of things. It's really for him to get his game's endurance, which is the most important thing for him, being away for so long.
Are you surprised with the way you started the game? You started by house of five.
Well, ang tagal nung break kasi namin and during the break, larong-laro na yung mga players eh. So, we really had to pare down our practices the past couple of days because we didn't want to overextend them in practice. because we had more than a week off. So I guess yes and no. Yes, with how well we started, but no, because I saw that already in practice that they were really raring to go. We had pretty good practices in the lead up to this game, so I knew we were going to start strong, but I also expected Ginebra to start as strong as well. So I think that was the difference.
So you were surprised po na hindi ganun maganda yung start ng Ginebra?
They're an outside shooting team, so they really rely a lot on their 3-point shooting, and there are days when they're going to be off. But that's not going to be every day. So we know that we have. That's why I said we have to be prepared for the next game, because we know hindi palaging ganyan.
Coach, can you just talk about lang po yung third quarter, especially ni Jason? And kasi parang medyo glaring din dun yung, it seemed like you guys exposed yung or targeted sa defense si RJ Amarelos. Was it like by design or ano po ba yung naging doon?
It's we come into games with a game plan, and very little happens in our game by accident. A lot of the things that we do, especially on offense, we're very intentional. So a lot of it's not my call. A lot of it are the players' calls. They make those calls. We really don't run too many plays. We read and react, and we look for advantages in the game. So I'm sure, like I said, Ginebra will make its adjustment, but I always tell the players they are the strategy. When whatever happens inside the court, they will be the ones to make the adjustments. Sila yung mag-adjust, sila yung mag-pivot, sila yung mag-counter. So I thought we did a good job of seeing what Ginebra was doing defensively, and then we countered.
Okay, you mentioned nung simula nga bigay ka because first finals game mo. So for you, then first finals mo sa PBA, how will you try to control yung bigay and yung proposal mo for the rest of the series?
To be honest, no, first time ko sa ganitong ambience, no, maglaro ng finals. Andun kahit 7 years na ako sa PBA, hindi pa rin naiiwasan na mape-pressure ka pa rin, tapos kinakabahan ka. But for me, I think that's a motivation sa sarili ko, kasi kung magpapadala ko sa ganung emotions ko, sa ganung feelings ko, eventually talagang papangit yung laro ko. So, good thing, no? Thankful ako kay Coach Chot, sa mga players ko, kasi every time na nandun ako sa loob ng court, ginaguide talaga nila ako, kasi alam nila first time ko lang sa PBA Finals. So, yun yung talagang malaking factor sa akin, kaya etong game 1 na to, nung second half, na-overcome ko, and then nakuha ko na yung rhythm ko, yung momentum ko.
Okay, na last time TNT won na championship, nandun pa si Mikey Williams. So ba yung umalit niya yung Mikey Williams?
Pareho naman sila mag-English, eh.
Sobrang layo naman nun. Hindi, ako naman, of course, let's be honest, no? May mga nagsasabi rin talaga na kinukompare nila ako kay Mikey, but para matigil na yung comparison na yun. Malayo talaga ako sa kanya. Mikey is a legit scorer, talagang kahit anong defensive scheme ang gagawin mo sa kanya, talagang nagagawa niya ng paraan. So, with regards naman dun sa playoff style ko, malayo eh. Kumbaga, ang goal ko nung napunta nga ako ng TNT, at least 50% ng ginagawa ni Mikey, yun yung magagawa ko sa team na to. And yung another 50, pagtutulong-tulungan na lang namin ng mga kasama ko. So, yun talaga yung goal ko. Kumbaga, hindi ko na iniisip kasi malayo talaga. Ang role ko kasi dito sa TNT, first, facilitator eh. Tapos na ako dun sa role ko na go-to guy. Ako yung primary option. So, with TNT, masaya ako sa role ko, and finally nahanap ko yung saktong role sa akin, and syempre Coach Chot din yung nag-guide sa akin na ganito yung gagawin ko dito. So, at least, no, ang bilis ng adjustment ko. And yun naman yung importante as a pro, as a player, na kailangan mabilis ko makapag-adjust.
Ayos.
Alright, that wraps it up. Thank you so much, Coach Chot and Ray.
Thank you.